So last year I bought this 40-volt electric string trimmer from Ryobi and it blew my mind. Check out this video to see me using it. But one of the things I love about this is it's attachment capable. So really simply, you can take this, click the button, pull it out and stick new tools on it. So I picked up, yes, a gutter blower. Although this is a Ryobi, it also fits like 15 other brands. Any brand that has the expanded universal attachment, it will attach to. So you don't have to have a Ryobi. Honestly, unboxing it's kind of disappointing. There's just a blower here at the top and then the extension rods kind of get stuck in the box, but there's two of them. Okay, so let's go ahead and put it together. First thing I noticed is there's grease around where the different things attach, so be really careful with that or you're gonna get it all over the place. That's just not gonna be fun. You could wear some latex gloves sometimes like I do, or nitrile gloves. This goes up to 9.5 feet, so I want it to go the complete length. Now the issue with putting it out as long as it'll go is it's gonna be hard to handle. No, that's not what she said. You can't say that. This is a family-friendly channel. All right, and then you have these quick things that you can just lock it down because you don't want it vibrating away. So send it to the length that you need it. I will probably two-hand this bad boy. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna take one of these off. I don't know where the air comes out. Okay, the wind comes out of this little slot right here. That's where the wind comes out, right there on the bottom. So that's the part, that's the business end that you want aimed where you need it to aim. I did not know that. Okay, so it won't just blow down leaves, but it'll get down this stuck. Like I have gutter guard, so this sits on top of my gutter guard, but it just blew it right off too. Let's go up the ladder and look at the gutter. Pretty impressive. Pretty impressive. There were a lot of leaves up here. You can see where I didn't do down there. And then you can see here, did a really good job cleaning that off. Now, one of the things I noticed as I was blowing, when you're not high up on the ladder, this stuff can fall down on top of you. So you're gonna be wearing safety glasses probably. And I have a couple really tricky gutters that even with a blower and a ladder are very hard to get to. This gutter's one of them right at my entrance. And then this one is just super high and the roof's pitched at an angle. I'm not comfortable getting there with a blower, but I could put a ladder up here and I could use that blower. So that's at least what I'm gonna try. I'll try here first. Okay, it turns out with the extension, I don't even need the ladder. Look. That's crazy. This was one of the most disgusting of my gutters. It had so much buildup. I could see it from my bathroom window, and I just look out here and I'd hate it. What? Yeah, a lot of times water would leak over here. I need a pressure wash. Water would leak over here because there's so much crap built up. Nice job. It blew a little back up on the roof, which is gonna go right back to the gutter. And then it also blew the stuff just on the house. Okay, it's doable. It's scary because I'm afraid of heights. And I would probably recommend going higher up the ladder with a shorter extension. Although I did exactly the opposite. And the reason I say that, that head gets very heavy when it's way out there, and I was holding it by the back of the battery like this, and when I had to bring it back off the gutter, it just was a little wobbly. Got the shorter shaft this time. Okay, I don't know what's scarier, the shorter shaft higher up the ladder or the longer shaft not as far up the ladder. I got comfortable with this. I'm actually okay with using it on the ladder. All right, so what's the verdict on the blower? I should have got one years ago. Gosh, just made life so much easier. On an extension ladder, not on an extension ladder, it just cleans the gutters out really well. Gets the stuff out that prevents all of the leaves from getting stuck. And look, it's not perfect, but I don't care. It doesn't need to be 100% clean for them to work properly. It just needs to be enough so that rainwater doesn't leak over the edge. And this thing's fantastic. And this electric 40 volt powers it perfectly, provides enough power, and it's just simple to use. I love it. I recommend go getting one and saving yourself the hassle. It's brilliant. It's a fantastic attachment.